Hello, everybody. Hi, Nutty Buddy Nation. How are you guys doing today? I'm trying to think of another name for y'all, but some of y'all say y'all don't mind Nutty Buddy Nation. So let me know if you have a suggestion for me to call my subscribers. I currently call y'all Nutty Buddy Nation. Why? Because I'm a nut. And one of my favorite snacks is Nutty Buddy. But I'm on a carnivore diet right now and I can't eat no Nutty Buddies no more. But I'm still a nut, y'all. So I call myself a nut and I just call y'all Nutty Buddies, okay? So anyway, I went to Goodwill today and I found a couple of good things at Goodwill. I found some cute stuff for $1. I found a couple of things for Miss Charlene, for Miss Charlene's sister. Girl, I be shopping for everybody. If I know somebody needs something, I get it for them if I see something in their size. But I'm not going to show y'all all of that. I might go in the room and show y'all what I got for Miss Charlene and them, but I don't know. But anyway, y'all, I think outside the box when I see something. And I seen this little thing. It's like one of those things you hang in the closet, but it was missing the hanger or whatever you put up there. It's brand new and it was $1. It still got the tag on it. It's brand new. And I was thinking that I could because I have all the storage crates in the van. And I was thinking like I could have this in the van and just put clothes in it and wrap it up or whatever. Or I could put it in the drawer down there and put clothes in it and keep my other things free. Miss Charlene was like, is that a shoe thing? So in the closet, I need more space for shoes. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down on the floor underneath the clothes and I'm going to stick all my shoes in it. So I think this is a great storage option. And as you can see, it still had the tag on it, brand new. And it was $5.99 at Goodwill. But I paid $1 for it because today is Dollar Day and the color tag is green. So this is a great storage option. And that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put this on the floor and put my shoes in it. So when y'all see stuff, try to think outside the box and think of something else you could use it for. And especially when you're going to Goodwill and stores like that and you're seeing stuff for $1. Y'all already know $1 make you holler, girl. You better think outside the box. Yeah, I bought a lot of shoes lately. And so I could just put this on the floor. I think Miss Charlene is calling me. Hold on. Okay, you guys. So I went to Goodwill today. Let me show y'all what I got. I got this little off-the-shoulder pant outfit. I'm not a fan of like a lot of colors. I really don't like a lot of prints on me. But this was $1 and it was actually brand new and still had the tag on it. So I thought this would be cute in the summertime to just piddle around in. And I got that for $1. I got these Adidas shorts for $1. I got this cute oversized shirt for $1 to do some layering. I tried it on and it actually fits and it's actually cute. I got that for $1. I bought 3 pairs of shoes. These are like suede, size 10, nice shoes. It says leather upper. And yeah, these were $1. And then I got these shoes, y'all. They are so cute. They are real leather and they were $1, blue. I love denim and I got those for $1. And I got these shoes right here that look brand new. They are brand new. Still got the thing under the bottom. And these were $1. And then I got these shades. I think these are shades that you drive at night with and it lights up the road. and they were $1. And they say they are solar shields. I don't know if it protects you from the sun or it gives you like night vision. I don't know. But even if they protect from the sun, we definitely need that. And they fit over your glasses. I like that. And that's what I got over there. I bought some more bras, you guys. Anytime I see bras at Goodwill that I think I could fit, I'm going to get them because I'm trying to find the perfect bra. This bra is brand new, still have the tag, and I got that for $1. I got this bra here, which is a half bra, and it has the sticky stuff on it to hold it up. I need a good half bra. It was $1. I hope it works for me. And I got these jeggings, and they're gray. I need some black pants, and I definitely don't have any gray ones. So these were $1. They're by Style and Company jeggings in the size large. And I got those for $1. We got these Simply Vera size large, and the material on them is so good. These are like some leggings, but y'all, this material is so strong. Vera, Simply Vera, elastic waistband, and they were $1. I got these right here, size large. I have some burgundy tennis shoes, and yeah, so we're gonna wear that with that. And we got these pants, y'all. They feel so good, and they actually look new. They have that kind of legs at the bottom, nice pockets, and these are by Munda, I don't know. It's a Performance Luxury. Mondetta. And it has the logo on the back, and they feel so good, you guys. And they were $1, size large. And we have this shirt. It came out the men's section, but I thought it was cute and manfinity. I thought it was a cute little top, so I got that $1. And I got this 4X scrub. It is huge, but I got this for somebody that I know that wears scrubs to work. The 4X might be a little too big for them, but anyway, I got it because it was $1 and it was brand spanking new. So I got that for them. And I got this hoodie. I've been getting hoodies lately because I could work in them outside. But I got this hoodie from the men's department. It says Raised by Waves. So cute. And it was $1. Everything you see here is $1 on Mondays, y'all. I do not buy anything that's not $1. And I was checking out, and then I seen this shirt, and it said, "Underestimate me, that who will be fun." I was like, okay, yeah, people normally underestimate me. And it's fun. Like, not trying to prove you wrong, but you're going to get proved wrong anyway. And these were some more leggings, and they feel real. I like leggings that wow, the material and the stretch on them are good. And I end up working out in a few of my leggings, so I needed to replace them. And here is a little bodycon dress that is brand new. And I could wear this as an undergarment. I have this right here that is kind of see-through. But if I wanted to wear this as a sweater dress, I can wear this underneath it. So I went ahead and got this. And that is everything. Well, it's not everything that I got, y'all, today, because I did get some more stuff. But this is everything that I'm going to show you. I might go in Miss Charlene's room and get the other stuff that I got and show y'all that in a separate video. The shoe thing that I just had, I showed y'all that. I got that for $1. This also was $1, and it's like brand new. You could tell. I'm like, what can I use that for? But I can put this in the pull-out drawer that I bought, and I can put stuff down up in there. I can put tools up in there just to have something handy. I can definitely use this in my closet or wherever, definitely. And also, I bought this computer bag, laptop bag, and it was $1. And it's a nice laptop bag, and you could barely find laptop bags anywhere for less than $20. So that was a cute, good laptop bag for $1. And I'm excited about this, y'all, because I'm always looking for these little storage cubicles that you travel with, travel cubicles, or you could just use it in the house. This thing looks brand new, and it's 3 different cubicle things in this bag, and it had a green tag, and it was $1. So those are my Goodwill finds today at Goodwill Dollar Day. Let me know what you think about this video. Stay tuned. I might go get the items that I got from Miss Charlene and her sisters and show y'all in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And let me know if you are watching each one of the little short videos that I'm putting out daily. If you're not subscribed to my other channel, Vanessa's Van Life Journey, make sure you go subscribe to that channel as well. I'm going to talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye now.